Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and find the toggle for it, which for me is right over here. And once you find the toggle, what you want to do the very first time you're actually going to use it is hold the toggle, which will quickly take you to the settings where you'll have access to things like your hotspot password and also the name of it. So I would recommend you to primarily go with the password because this is some randomly generated ones and it is kind of hard to write it down or remember it. So simply tap on it and remove this old garbage and set your own. Now your own password also needs to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, symbols, all of them together or just one, whichever one you want. So I'll be making something really simple, just 8 numbers, really easy. There we go, okay. And additionally, you can also change the device name, which is also going to be the hotspot name. I'm not sure why it says device name instead, but yeah, if you change this, that's basically what you're going to be looking for in a Wi-Fi list. So this exact name. And let's see what we have under more. So we have data limit, which allows you to basically set a limit to how many megabytes, gigabytes can be used by the hotspot. And additionally, we do have the AP band option. We have a choice between 2.4, which is basically used by any kind of device that has Wi-Fi connectivity, and then 5 GHz, which is a little bit newer, still like half a decade or more old. So decent chunk of phones from back should be able to connect to this. Now, the benefit of going with the 5 GHz, even though it's less devices supported, it is a newer technology, and overall the connection on 5 GHz will be faster and more stable. So that's the benefit of it. While the 2.4 GHz will be used by virtually every device. And if you're not sure if your device supports it or not, you can simply toggle it on. And then when you're looking for your hotspot, you simply don't see your hotspot at all with the name that is right here. That means that the device does not support 5 GHz, and all you need to do is again go into the settings, more, and drop it back to 2.4 instead, and everything should be just fine. And last option right here, we have the mobile hotspot turn off timer. It is set by default to 5 minutes, which is completely fine. You can also select it to be 10 minutes if that is something that you want, but I do encourage you to have this enabled. What this will do is once you're done using the hotspot, the device will start a countdown, basically knowing that it's not consuming any data. And after the given timer runs out, it will simply turn it off. And the reason why this is a decent option to have is because hotspot does consume more battery of your phone. And if you're not using that hotspot, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now, once you went through all the settings of it and customized it to your liking, simply find the toggle once again, tap on it, and there it is. Now, one little additional thing that I'll mention, when you enable your hotspot, as you will see, it does turn off your Wi-Fi. It uses your mobile data to broadcast that hotspot signal, and it broadcasts it using Wi-Fi antennas. That's why you're not using Wi-Fi right now, or you are not able to use them. That is also another reason probably to turn it off once you're done with it. And once you turn it off, it will automatically re-enable Wi-Fi, and the phone will automatically connect to any kind of Wi-Fi signals that it can. So anyway, this is how you would set it up, use this hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.